Unraveling the Mystery, Understanding, Shucks. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to delve into the meaning, usage, and origin of the phrase, shucks. This is a very interesting expression that you might come across in English conversations, movies, or books, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the English language. So, without further ado, let's get started. Shucks is an informal exclamation that is often used to express disappointment, frustration, or modesty. When someone says, shucks, they might be reacting to a missed opportunity, expressing sympathy, or downplaying a compliment. Here are a few examples to help you understand how it's used. Disappointment. Shucks, I was really hoping to win the game. Sympathy. Shucks, I'm sorry to hear that you're feeling unwell. Modesty. Shucks, it was nothing. Anyone would have done the same. The word, shucks, is believed to have originated from the American English language in the 19th century. It is thought to be derived from the act of shucking, which means to remove the outer covering of corn or other vegetables. This connection might seem a bit odd at first, but when you think about it, shucking is a humble, everyday task, and using shucks to express modesty or disappointment carries a kind of down-to-earth, humble tone. Using shucks in a sentence is quite straightforward. Remember, it's an exclamation, so it usually stands alone or is used at the beginning of a sentence. Here are a few examples. Shucks, I forgot to bring my umbrella, and now I'm soaked. You did an amazing job on that project, Sarah. Shucks, it was nothing special. Shucks is often associated with a kind of old-fashioned, rural charm. You might hear it used in old movies or read it in classic literature. While it's not as common in modern urban slang, it's still understood and used by many English speakers, especially in informal, friendly settings. And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning, usage, and origin of the phrase, shucks. We hope that this video has helped clarify this charming expression for you, and that you feel more confident in understanding and perhaps even using it in your own conversations. As always, thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English skills. Until next time, happy learning!